We got a sunset. We got dolphins right there. We got a rainbow.
What will we do with a drunken sailor? What will we do with a drunken sailor? What will we do with a drunken sailor? Early in the morning, way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises.
Chris is on bow duty. He has to make sure we don't hit any otters. This is the approach you must take when on bow duty to ascertain that many degrees have been captured. Once reporting and seeing the otter, it must immediately be reported to the helm. Or if you are Canadian, you club it. Demonstration of clubbing. Thank you, sir. That will be their last earth. That not.
Come on, Mitch, get in here.
Go, Mitch, go!
Bring the camera. Dare you?
God.
I'm gonna swing way above you.
Yeah. You're gonna go all the way to the mast. Let's just get ready.
Dun dun dun.
Dun dun dun.
Sailing, sailing on the sailing ship. Some days are hot, some days are cold on the sailing ship. Good thing I'm not afraid of heights, or that would suck. If I fell down, I'd be a dead duck. Do when there's lots of
Tis a damn tough life, full of toil and strife, we whalermen undergo. And we don't give a damn when the day is done, how hard the winds did blow. 'Cause we're homeward bound from the Arctic around, with a good ship taut and free. And we don't give a damn when we drink our rum with the girls of old Maui. Rolling down to old Maui, me boys, rolling down to old Maui.
How come they're not singing a song?
been losing, found others on the way. I have kissed the ladies and left them crying. Stolen dreams, yes, there's no denying. I have traveled hard with coattails flying somewhere in the wind. Oh, but let me tell you that I love you, that I think about you all the time.